Hi guys, Laura Hudson here with AFC Essentials. I am so excited about this month's promotions with doTERRA. They have a couple of cool kits that are new, and so I'm going to share those with you today. I'm going to share my screen so you can check this out. So let's see if I can get this to, there we go. Okay, so we have the Dawn Diffuser Kit. This is actually a Dawn aroma humidifier, and what's really cool is this humidifier allows you to diffuse and humidify at the same time. So this is pretty awesome because it actually comes with Breathe 15 ml and a 15 ml bottle of On Guard. It's a great price for all that together as well. We also have the Laluz diffuser, and this is a cute diffuser. I don't happen to have this one, but I was looking at it, kind of eyeing it, especially with the oils that are included. It's a really great deal. But you can get this diffuser with orange and peppermint, which is pretty awesome. And if you're obviously, a doTERRA member, you're very familiar with our product of the month. This is a product you can get absolutely free when you process 125 PV LRP order on or before the 15th. So this month it is a free bottle of cedar wood. So cedar wood is a really awesome oil. I am especially familiar with cedar wood, thinking about sleep, stress reduction, and just kind of a calming effect that it has. If you love the smell of a cedar chest, then you'll really love the smell and aroma of cedar wood. It's really good to dilute and apply to the wrists, temples, back of neck. And again, that'll just help you feel more calm and relaxed. If you want to use it to help you sleep at night, apply some to the bottoms of the feet. You can also diffuse it, and it smells really good diffused with lavender. If you actually could use it as well for cuts and scrapes. So apply that diluted to any cut and scrape, and that can help it heal because it has astringent-like qualities. So pretty cool. Then our 15% off product is our lemongrass oil. Lemongrass is a really nice, clean scent. This can be a great oil to use when you are cleaning, just to give things that really crisp, clean scent. It's also really good to actually for immune support, and it's one I know many will apply if they're having some aches and discomfort. This could be a great one to apply topically with dilution, of course, and it's also an awesome bug repellent. So a good time to stock up on, and get that this month at 15% off, so you can, be prepared for spring and summer. So we are so excited to have some warmer temps, and just excited to have some sun. So I hope that you guys are doing well. And are looking forward to taking advantage of these great promotions this month. If I can help you with anything oil related, feel free to reach out. We have a Facebook group called We Love Essential Oils Public Education. I'll make sure to share that in this post as well. And if you're not part of my Create Your Health Now health coaching group, I would invite you to join me there as well. Often spring brings about wanting to get in better shape, just so we can move and feel better and feel more confident in our skin, in our clothes. So I approach weight loss and health in a really different way. So if you're tired of dieting, if you're tired of deprivation, then you'll want to make sure to join Create Your Health Now. And again, I will have that link in this post, and I would love to see you there. So create a great day. And I'm looking forward to talking to you guys soon. Bye-bye.